Welcome back to Pharmalytics, your gateway to everything pharma. Today we're diving into the world of cleanroom classifications, what they are, why they matter, and the pros and cons of each class. Let's sanitize our knowledge, shall we? In pharmaceutical manufacturing, cleanrooms are controlled environments with extremely low levels of pollutants like dust, airborne microbes, aerosol particles, and chemical vapors. They're essential for manufacturing sterile products like injectables, ensuring product safety and compliance with regulations like EU GMP Annex 1, US FDA, and WHO guidelines. Cleanrooms are classified based on the number and size of particles per cubic meter of air. There are two main systems used in pharma: EU GMP grades A, B, C, and D, and ISO 14644, class 1 to 9. Here's a quick matchup. Grade A is approximately ISO Class 5, Grade B is approximately ISO 5 at rest, and ISO 7 in operation. Grade C is approximately ISO Class 7, and Grade D is approximately ISO Class 8. Grade A is for the most critical operations like aseptic filling, while Grade D is for less critical steps like bulk production prep. Let's break down the pros and cons of each grade. Grade A, also known as ISO 5. Pros: extremely low contamination risk, ensures highest product sterility, and is mandatory for aseptic operations. Cons: very expensive to build and maintain, requires strict gowning and monitoring, and limited access, which can slow production. Grade B, or ISO 5 at rest, has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, it supports an aseptic background and maintains sterility when Grade A isn't active. However, it does come with its challenges. It's still high in cost and complexity, and it requires tight environmental controls. Now let's talk about Grade C, or ISO 7. The pros include its suitability for the preparation of sterile products before sterilization, and it's easier and cheaper to maintain than Grade A or B. On the downside, it's not suitable for aseptic processing and still requires good environmental control. Moving on to Grade D, or ISO 8. The benefits are clear. It's ideal for less critical tasks and is the easiest and cheapest to operate. However, it does come with a higher contamination risk and is limited to non-critical manufacturing steps. So each grade has its place. It's all about balancing risk, cost, and compliance. To sum it up, cleanroom classification isn't just a regulatory checkbox. It's a strategic tool to protect patients and ensure product quality. Choose the right grade for the right operation, and you strike the perfect balance between efficiency and safety. If you found this helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Pharmalytics for more pharmaceutical insights. See you next time.